Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun. And I say, it's alright. Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it seems like years since it's been clear. Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun. And I say, it's alright. Darling, the smiles returning to the faces. Little darling, it seems like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun. And I say, it's alright.
Thank you very much.
What I want, you've got, and it might be hard to handle. But like a flame that burns a candle, the candle feeds the flame. Yeah, yeah, what I got, full stock of thoughts and dreams to scatter. And you pull them all together, and how I can't explain. Oh yeah, well, you make my dreams come true.
wild out in bed, several floors above my head, living well beyond his means in that crazy Paris scene. Rain falls down in sheets so clear, and no one ever calls me here. Traveling by myself these days, I'm into jazz and felt berets, far from that old eastern shore, searching for strange metaphors. I don't want to be another victim of fashion. No, I don't want to see my name in the paper each day. Yeah, you can leave that to the young Turks, they're more handsome and dashing, posing for paparazzis down Laguna Way. Now down in the metro, I feel the world start to multiply. Bastille rubber wheels, spiked heels, subterranean lullaby. Met an African prancer, a hemisphere dancer, spied the ghost of Brazil. We smiled at the secret we shared, and I hit it like contraband. Quietly making noise, starts with kindergarten toys. Not too soft, not too loud, just enough to draw a crowd. Quietly, quietly, quietly making noise. Follow the beat, hey, I found myself in this patois spot. Outside a blizzard was blowing, but inside the joint was hot. Zouk songs, rubber thongs, sing-alongs, the words flew right by my face. You know, rhythm and motion's a blammer jam potion you cannot erase. Quietly making noise, pissing off people's killjoys. Glass backs on a hot Mustang, a Telecaster with a twang. Quietly, quietly, quietly making noise. Yeah. Singers and writers and poets have flocked here for centuries. The city of light is built upon mountains of memories. Baritone, saxophone, monotones speak with a voice I've heard before. It's a lasting impression, a gypsy expression you cannot ignore. We're quietly making noise, start with kindergarten toys. Not too soft, not too loud, just enough to draw a crowd. Quietly, quietly, quietly making noise. Yeah, we're quietly making noise, pissing off the old killjoys. Not too soft, not too loud, just
impossible, but they forgot. This world keeps spinning and with each new day I can feel a change in everything. And as the surface breaks, reflections fade, but in some ways they remain the same. And as my mind begins to spread its wings, there's no stopping curiosity. I wanna turn the whole thing upside down. I'll find the things they say just can't be found. I'll share this love I find with everyone. We'll sing and dance to Mother Nature's songs. I don't want this feeling to go away. I can't do everything, but I can try. And as I roll along, I begin to find things aren't always just what they seem. I wanna turn the whole thing upside down. I'll find the things they say just can't be found. I'll share this love I find with everyone. We'll sing and dance to Mother Nature's song. This world keeps spinning and there's no time to waste. Will it all keep spinning, spinning, round and round and upside down? Who's to say what's impossible and can't be found? I don't want this feeling to go away. Don't go away. Please don't go away. Please don't go away. Please don't go away.
We were born before the wind, also younger than the sun. Yeah, the bonnie boat was one as we sail into the mystic. I can now hear the sailors cry, smell the sea and feel the sky. Let your soul and spirit fly into the mystic. And where that foghorn blows, I will be coming home. Yeah, when the foghorn blows, I wanna hear it. I don't have to fear it, and I wanna rock your gypsy soul, just like way back in the days of old. Yeah, magnificently we will fold into the mystic. that foghorn blows, you know I will be coming home. And when that foghorn whistle blows, I gotta hear it, I don't have to fear it. And I wanna rock your gypsy soul, just like way back in the day, the road. And together we will float into the mystic. Come on, girl. Too late to stop
Scratch my back with the lightning bolt. Thunder rolls like a bass drum note. The sound of the weather is heaven's ragtime band. We all fell down from the Milky Way, hanging around here till the judgment day. Heaven only knows who's in command. Barefoot children in the rain, got no need to explain. We'd be swinging on a ball and chain. It's always understood by those who play the game. Barefoot children in the rain. Show me yours and I'll show you mine. Take me back to days full of monkey shines, bouncing on a bubble full of trouble in the summer sun. Keep your raft from the river boat. Fiction over fact always has my vote, and wrinkles only go where the smiles have been. Barefoot children in the rain, got no need to explain. We'd be swinging on a ball and chain. It's always understood by those who play the game. Barefoot children in the rain. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Barefoot children in the rain. Scratch my back with the lightning bolt. Thunder rolls like a bass drum note. The sound of the weather is heaven's ragtime band. The sky turns blue and the sun appears, but the question
I'm so happy you're here. It's been a long time since I had you near, my dear. Come on inside, get away from the cold wind that's blowing. Gonna let you know that I'm so glad you're here. I'm worried about you. I'm so glad you're here. After all we've been through, I'm so glad you're here. It's good to see you, baby. I'm so glad you're here. Leave your troubles out. Yeah, they come to mind every time I see you around town. Be frontin' like you got it all together, but I know better. Baby, it's you